বিএস বিজ্ঞান একাডেমি উচ্চতর গণিত উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক শ্রেণী 9.2 ক্যালকুলাস প্রবলেম নাম্বার 34 x cube e to the power x so ddx x cube e to the power x u into v formula ddx ub equal to u dv by dx plus b dx by du by dx so we use x cube into ddx e to the power x plus e to the power x into dx cube by dx equal to x cube into ddx ex equal to ex plus ex into x cube x to the power n formula n into x to the power n minus 1 so 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1 so x cube e to the power x plus e to the power x into 3x 3 minus 1 equal to x square so e to the power x and e to the power x are common so e to the power x bracket x cube plus 3x square. Now x cube or x square so we can take common x square so x square to the power x equal to x plus 3. Another problem 35 x cube log ax so ddx x cube log ax we use this formula ddx ub u dv by dx plus b dx by du by dx. Now x cube ddx x cube ddx log ax plus log ax into ddx x cube তাহলে x cube log ax equal to 1 by x log ae plus log ax into x cube to the power x to the power n so n into n minus 1 so x cube into x to the power n minus 1. Now x cube 1 by ax আর একটা এক্স কাটা যাবে থাকবে এক্স স্কোয়ার সো এক্স স্কোয়ার ইন্টু লগ এ প্লাস 3 log ax into 3 minus 1 equal to 2 so x square. Now x square log ae plus 3x square log ax is the solution.